Hello my quilting friends, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for Zigzag Path. So this is a zigzaggy design. We've been having a lot of those lately. And the very first thing you do is you stitch it across your quilting space however you like, whatever feels good to you. I just decided to go diagonally here. And now you're going to travel stitch and simply echo that line. This is a foundational design, which means that once you set that foundation, whatever your zigzag line is going to be, then that's really all you need to think about. That's not all you need to worry about, because the whole rest of it is just to travel stitch and echo. And it's really actually very relaxing. You know, once you get that foundation set, you don't have to worry about anything else. And you don't have to really think or make any decisions. And as weird as that sounds, that actually ends up speeding me up a lot in the quilting process, because I know all I need to do to fill up this whole space is just to travel stitch and echo to both sides of that zigzaggy line. Find many more free motion quilting videos at leahday.com/FMQ.